Dear students, this is the fourth class of bridge course in English. As a part of it, we will continue the same principal verb or main verb, that is the third type, present tense or root form, past tense and past participle are different forms. For example, go is root form, past tense is went, went, past participle is gone, gone. Grow, grew, grown. Present tense is grow, past tense is grew, past participle is grown, hide, hid, hidden. Present tense is hide, hide. Past tense is hid, hid. And past participle is hidden, hidden. Know, knew, known. Root form is know, know. Past tense is knew, knew. Past participle is known, known. Lie, lay, lain. Present tense is lie, lie. Past tense is lay, lay. Past participle is lain, lain. Likewise, ride, rode, ridden or ide, ride. Past tense is rode, rode. Past participle is ridden, ridden, ridden. Ring, rang, rung. Root form is ring or ing, ring. Past tense is rang or rang. Past participle is rung or rung. Next, rise, rose, risen or rise. Past tense or rose and past participle is risen or risen. See, saw, seen. Root form is see, see. Past tense is saw, saw. Past participle is seen, sen. Show, showed, shown. Present tense is show, show. Past tense is showed, showed, showed. Past participle is shown, shown, shown. Sing, sang, sung. Present tense is sing, sing, sing. Past tense is sang, sang. And past participle is sung, sung. Speak, spoke, spoken. Root form is speak, speak, speak. Past tense is spoke, spoke, spoke. And past participle is spoken, spoken, spoken. Steal, stole, stolen. Root form is steal, steal, steal. Past tense is stole, stole, stole. And past participle is stolen, stolen, stolen. Swear, swore, sworn. Root form is swear, swear, swear. Past tense is swore, swore. And past participle is sworn, and sworn. Take, took, taken. Present tense is take, past tense is took, past participle is taken. Tear, tore, torn. Present tense is tear, tear, tear. Past tense is tore, tore. Past participle is torn, T-O-R-N, torn. Throw, threw, thrown. Present tense is throw, T-H-R-O-W, throw. Past tense is threw, T-H-R-E-W, threw. Past participle is thrown, T-H-R-O-W-N, thrown. Wake, woke, woken. Present tense is wake, W-A-K-E, wake. Past tense is woke, W-O-K-E, woke. Past participle is woken, W-O-K-E-N, woken. Where, wore, worn. Root form is where, W-E-A-R, where. Past tense is wore, W-O-R-E, wore. Past participle is worn, W-O-R-N, worn. Write, wrote, written. Present tense is write, W-R-I-T-E, write. Past tense is wrote, W-R-O-T-E, wrote. And past participle is written, W-R-I-T-T-E-N. Dear students, now we move on to the next important grammar item, comparison of adjective. When we speak about the comparison of adjectives, we come under three important concepts, that is positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Now, in these three types of degrees, if any English word has one or two syllables, then we add ER to the comparative degree and EST to the superlative degree. If the word is ending in consonant letter Y, then we remove Y by adding IER to comparative degree and IEST to superlative degree. Now look at the example. Big, bigger, biggest. Positive is big, comparative is bigger, superlative is biggest. Brave, braver, bravest. Brave is positive degree, braver is comparative degree, bravest is superlative degree. Bright, brighter, brightest. Bright is positive, brighter comparative, brightest superlative degree. Cheap, cheaper, cheapest. Cheap is positive, cheaper is comparative, cheapest is superlative degree. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Clever is positive degree, cleverer is comparative degree, cleverest is superlative degree. Deep, deeper, deepest. D-double-E-P, deep is positive degree, D-double-E-P-E-R is comparative degree, that is deeper, D-double-E-P-E-S-T, deepest is superlative degree. Fast, faster, fastest. Fast is positive degree, faster is comparative degree, fastest is superlative degree. Few, F-E-W, few is positive degree, fewer, F-E-W-E-R, fewer is comparative degree, F-E-W-E-S-T, fewest is superlative degree. Fine, finer, finest. F-I-N-E, fine is positive degree, F-I-N-E or finer is comparative degree, F-I-N-E-S-T, finest is superlative degree. Great, greater, greatest. Great is positive degree, G-R-E-A-T-E or greater is comparative degree, G-R-E-A-T-E-S-T, greatest is superlative degree. high, higher, highest. HIGH, high is positive degree. HIGHE or higher is comparative degree. HIGHEST, highest is superlative degree. Next one is kind, kinder, kindest. KIND, kind is positive degree. KIND or kinder is comparative degree. KINDEST, kindest is superlative degree. Look at the next one. Large, larger, largest. LARGE, large is positive degree. LARGE or larger is comparative degree. LARGEST, largest is superlative degree. Late, later, latest. LATE, late is positive degree. LATE or later is comparative degree. LATEST, latest is superlative degree. Long, LONG, long is positive degree. Longer, LONG or longer is comparative degree. Longest, LONGEST, longest is superlative degree. Low, lower, lowest. LOW, low is positive degree. LOWE or lower is comparative degree. LOWEST, lowest is superlative degree. Near, nearer, nearest. NEA or near is comparative degree. NEA or nearer is comparative degree. NEA or EST, nearest is superlative degree. Old, older, oldest. OLD, old is positive degree. OLDE or older is comparative degree. OLDEST, oldest is superlative degree. Poor, poorer, poorest. POO or poor is positive degree. POO or poorer is comparative degree. POO or EST, poorest is superlative degree. So students, under degrees of comparison, we have seen that if any English word, that is adjective word, if it is single or double syllable, then we form the comparative and superlative by adding ER and EST. If the words are more than 3 syllable, then we have different forms. Today we have seen single syllable and double syllable words which are formed by adding ER to comparative degree and by adding EST to the superlative degree. Today we will stop here. Thank you.